Hi, I'm Sarah from CompleteAItraining.com, and in this video, we'll explore the exciting journey of becoming an AI specialized laboratory technician. From understanding the essential educational background to gaining hands-on experience and certifications, we'll guide you through each step to help you embark on this rewarding career path. Let's dive in. As an AI specialized laboratory technician, you'll future-proof your skills in a rapidly evolving industry, ensuring long-term career stability. With AI expertise, you'll unlock more job opportunities, as employers increasingly seek professionals adept in this cutting-edge technology. Additionally, AI skills can lead to higher salaries, as they enhance your efficiency and productivity, making you a valuable asset to any team. Embrace the future of laboratory science and elevate your career with AI specialization. At CompleteAItraining.com, we offer comprehensive courses and a certification program designed to help you become an AI specialized laboratory technician. With the rapid pace of AI developments, staying current is crucial. That's why we ensure you're always updated on the latest advancements relevant to laboratory technicians. Our curriculum is continuously refreshed to reflect the newest trends and technologies, so you can maintain your edge in this dynamic field. Our AI video training programs are tailored specifically for laboratory technicians, featuring the latest prompt courses and custom GPTs designed for specialized tasks. We've meticulously organized AI tools to enhance your skills and efficiency. At Complete AI Training, our course and certification program will equip you to excel as an AI specialized laboratory technician. If you're interested in this course, please check out CompleteAItraining.com and search for laboratory technicians. You can sign up for as low as $99 a year to get access to all video trainings, prompts, custom GPTs, AI tools, and one free certification per year. Don't wait to become an AI expert laboratory technician. You can start a 3-day trial today.